Hi y'all, this is Shane. So today I want to show you guys how I was able to catch a banger trade on XOM. So that's the ticker symbol XOM. It's the Exxon Mobil Corporation. So I just want to show you some things that I was looking at that made me think that this would be a good trade. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So right here, I have the daily chart pulled up in front of me right now. All right, so first thing I noticed on here is that we have a bullish move up, and I saw a little pattern here that the price was starting to flag downwards. And then the next thing, so first of all, let's just mark that out like this. All right. So you see that's like we're flagging down. Next thing I notice is that we have a level here. All right, so this level would act as demand, and this is based on a concept that's called break and retest. So the idea is that this level here was previously resistance. So once the price broke above it, even here, you can, if you follow my mouse, or let me do this so you can see it, we break above it, came back down, we tested the level and held it and went higher. All right, so this was resistance, broke above it, and the resistance became support. All right, you can say, you can call this supply as well. This was supply, you break above it, came down into it, and it became demand. And now we're flagging our way back into this demand right here. All right, so um, I like to take trades when I see confluences. So the first confluence was that the price action was flagging its way back into this demand right here. All right, we're flagging down, and then we also have demand. So we have the flag pattern and we have the demand level. So those are my two confluences so far. And you can see that we're kind of in a channel right here. So if we should continue in this channel, I would expect that the price would probably do something like this if we're going to continue in this pattern. All right, so what else did I see that make me want to take this trade? So also, if I pull up my EMA right here, this is the 100 EMA exponential moving average. You can see the price came right down into the 100 EMA. All right, so we have our flag pattern. All right, we're at the low of this trend line right here. And we flagged our way down into the demand zone. And we have the 100 EMA right at the same spot. So we have a few different confluences that's telling me that there's a good chance that the price might want to move up from here, or we might get some kind of bounce right here. All right. Next thing I notice is if we drop down to a lower time frame, say we go down to the 15, or let's try the 5 minute, right? Let's do this. Um, Now this might be getting a little bit technical. If you're new to trading, then this might be a little bit technical. But um, I also noticed that we have a shift in structure right here. Some people might call this a market structure shift. Others call it a break of structure, change in character. People have different names for this, all right? But I noticed right here that there was a shift right here, change of character, whatever you want to call it, all right? And then I put my fib level on here. And then price came down into the fib level. Now this fib level is called the golden pocket. All right, it's your 61% fib ratio level right here. Popular, known as the golden pocket. So the price came right down into there and we had a move up from there. So this is a great way to enter the trade. All right, so I saw that this shift happened as well. So let's go back to the daily chart, 1 day. And all of those different things together all those different confluences. So we have the demand zone, prices flagging down into the demand zone. And then we have our 100 EMA all in the same spot. And on the lower time frame that we see, we have a change in character, break a structure, or a market structure shift, or whatever you want to call it. I saw that happening on the lower time frame. So all these different things together was telling me that, all right, there's a good chance that the price might want to move up from here, or we might at least have some kind of bounce for a day trade. So we might get a bounce here for a day trade, or we might be able to have a swing that'll go all the way up to the top. Time will tell if we'll have a swing that will take the price all the way back up here. Time will tell. But at least we can get some kind of reaction or some kind of bounce at this level for a day trade. All right, so let's play this forward and see what happened today. This is what happened today. This is where we are right now. So we have a really nice bounce right at this level. Okay, so this makes for a very, very nice day trade. All right, and then if you want to swing this, then there's chances are the price could continue all the way back if it's gonna keep into this pattern. All right, so that's what I got for you guys. Hopefully, this makes sense, and hopefully it was helpful for you. All right, so happy trading.